What's good, chumps? Welcome back to another video. We got every time Sniffles has suffered a gruesome, that's not how you spell gruesome, and slow death. Make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's get it. Damn. Nah, why they low-key happy doing that shit? Yo, that shit gotta hurt OD, bro. Like, where the fuck did the lemon even come from, my nigga? Aren't y'all inside of that nigga? And this nigga Sniffles, like, I've never seen somebody lose. Like, I've never seen a predator lose to the prey. Like, Sniffles, you supposed to be eating them. How you ain't get the job done, bro? Come on, this is what you do, bro. This is what you supposed to do. This is how you live. You getting cooked right now. Yo, what? This nigga can't stand it. He grabbing his ears. He can't stand it, bro. It's over. It's over. Ugh. Here we go again with the ants, bro. They was cooking this nigga, bro. Every time I seen it, they was cooking this nigga. Nigga ain't even get to finish his bread. Ugh. Ew. Don't tell me it's the ants again, bro. Oh, it's the ants again. My nigga, you suck, Sniffles. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck with you, bro. You ugly as shit. But the ants be cooking you, bro. Bro, wait. Nigga, that's all that's left of, bro? Nah, they cooked you. Yo. And this is just insane, bro. That's insane. Nah, she going crazy. Ew! Oh my god. No, my nigga, it's too late, bro. What the fuck is you doing? The nigga already dead. My nigga Sniffles is already dead, bro. It's too late. It's too late, bro. Nigga is tearing him apart. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nigga, that big ass nose, boy. You not that big ass, yo, you not surviving, bro. I'm sorry. Especially not against that nigga right there. He spotted you. Spot him, got him. Spot him, got him, brody. I ain't gonna lie, Sniffles be going out like the worst way, bro. I feel like after Flaky, he really got it the worst, bro. Cause Flaky be going out crazy sad, bro. Ew, how the fuck your mouth just reach all the way up there? Oh my gosh. He thought shit was sweet, nigga. You about to... Yeah, he be getting cooked, bro. Oh! Damn, boy! Bop! Yo, why that shit made the whole screen shake, bro? Yeah, you're fucked. You're fucked. Why don't you just try to turn it off, brody? Oh my god, yo, I just like it don't even be like it just be like the body, like that shit look nasty. Like it don't even be the deaths at this point, bro. It just be like me seeing the body parts and shit just getting ripped out and all of that, bro. Shit is fucking insane. I haven't done it in a while, bro. What the fuck? I don't want to be that loud, bro. I was about to scream because that shit look nasty, bro. Bro, niggas stole more. Niggas really took off with your hand, bro. They about to sell your body parts, bro. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, you're fucked. This is crazy. This is fucking crazy. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Sniffles. I remember that shit. He had to lock in. Peep that shit. My son Sniffles spinning around. Pop really had to lock in. You see his face? He like, nah, let me chill. Let me get back to what I'm doing. He really had to lock in. Sniffles there, he about to die. Yeah, I seen this shit too. This shit is over. He got killed by some cans of beans. It's tragic. Yo, I feel like every time Sniffles die, like his body just rip apart. Like it don't even be like his head getting cut off, his arms be getting cut off. But then by the time he really died, his whole body is just dismembered, bro. That's just how it go for him. That's your fate, Brody. Let me see if it's gonna happen right now. Gosh, can y'all just imagine like what that shit gotta feel like, bro? This nigga is getting cooked by the ants once again, bro. Once again, you see, bro? Damn, Brody crying. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. You gotta start eating something else, bro. You gotta go after like some beetles or some shit. They probably not gonna harm you. Oh my gosh! You see what I'm saying, bro? That was the end of the video. But y'all see what I'm saying, bro? Y'all see what I'm saying? This nigga, yo, this nigga always losing all his organs, bro. His body just be there, just skin. No bones, no liver, no kidneys, no heart, no rib cage, nothing. Just his body. Just flat. That's tragic, bro. I'm sorry, Sniffles. Like, seeing this, bro, I'm gonna stop being so mean to you, bro. I'm gonna stop calling you ugly. I'm gonna stop doing all of that, because I fake felt bad. Especially in that last clip, bro. He started crying and shit. Damn, bro. Damn. Hate to see it, man. Thank y'all so much for watching, man. Make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Remember, you can achieve anything if you work hard, believe in yourself, and you trust God. Grow.